Is that the leak?
That's a leak. So this right here is the gate from the tank down through the turbine.
Gotcha.
He lifts this, opens up the gate that goes directly into the turbine, spins it, water goes shooting out that way.
I mean, that's a pretty good size leak, right? I mean,
Yes.
if you were really using it for,
That would be a little loss of power. I don't know
Yeah.
how much, but I don't think that's more than I remember last year. So we have to take it apart, and we just got it working, so we're okay with that. Actually.
handle? Because I noticed that the handle itself is shiny.
It's old, I can tell you that. I don't know if it's 1870, but it's old. So there we go. So we got it going.